company, code, company code, and assign a company to company code and business area, uh, etc. Structure, how data flow between them, and also the enterprise structure define how financial data is recorded and reported for all accounting, financial accounting and controlling activities. Here we have defined the company code as well. Yeah, I will explain about one by. Can I explain about company code and all everything?
Yes, yes, yes. One by one. Just I'm looking.
Yeah, a company is nothing but a group of companies. So this company contains multiple company codes. The company is used for financial consolidated financial statements. So this is the T code. OX15. So define company code. Company code is a legal entity, or we call as a organizational unit as well. So all company codes are interlinked with company. As we said before, company is nothing but group of companies. uh, yeah, these company codes are interlinked with group of companies. Okay, it is used for the business, organizational and financial accounting perspective. So, why we need to create the company code means all accounting entries and business transactions will be posted in at company code level. So yeah, and next, business area is also one of the organizational unit in FI. Here, business area is used to generate the financial statements at a company code level for internal and external reporting purpose. So next, sir, scroll down.
Your voice is coming very low.
Very low. Sorry,
Please, so if possible, please increase the nation. I think you are using my
my
mic or
speaker is
something.
not working properly. No, no, my laptop issue. So because of that, I guess now.
Okay, it's okay.
Can I explain about business area and all?
Yes, yes, just scroll down.
Yeah, business area also one of the organizational unit in FI. So which is used to generate the financial statements at a company code level for internal and external reporting purpose. So next, global parameter settings. Can I go through next global parameters and also?
Okay,
I have
okay.
not idea much more about
I
controlling,
think you
creating
forgetted
company code.
everything.
Yeah.
It's available. Please check.
Yeah. Global parameter setting, whatever we have configured above company code, and assign company to company code, business area maintain, here we can see at the OBY6 T code, like global parameter refers to the mandatory settings that needs to be maintained for a company code, like chart of account, and fiscal year, posting period variant, next, field status variant. Those parameters are maintained during the implementation phase, and also how financial transactions are posted and reported. So under this global parameter settings, we have set the maintain fiscal year. The T code is OB29, and assign company code to fiscal year variant. Next, define fiscal year variant, assign company code to posting period variant, and open to closing posting period, and field status variant. Assignment for field status variant, document type, document number, tolerance groups for employees, GL, and vendors and customers. And finally, chart of account. Under those chart of account is nothing but a list of GL accounts together is called as a chart of accounts. So under this chart of account, three types of chart of accounts. So operating chart of account and group chart of account, country specific chart of account. Operative chart of accounts we are using for day-to-day transactions are posted in operational chart of account, and group chart of account is used for consolidation reporting purpose. And next, country specific chart of account, as per country legal requirement, will use the country chart of account. Yes, sir.
Right? Then just completed, Anusha.
Sir, yeah, completed, sir, from my end.
I think you are. The last 2 months are not you didn't practice, right? Last
Yeah.
couple of months, you forget everything. Even SAP point of view, if you have a continuously learning subject, then only it should be work.
Yes.
So,
Sir, can I explain about document type
ah,
before we
okay. Just roughly explain.
roughly explain? Okay. Physical year variant. Physical year variant. Physical year variant is nothing but two digits alphanumeric key, which specifies how many maximum number of posting periods and how many maximum number of special periods we have. So 12 normal posting periods and 4 special periods we have. So in posting period variant is used to control open and close posting periods, and also open and close posting periods is one of the month end activity in FI module. So this activity performed by the business users directly in production system. So next, field status variant. Field status variant controls which fields are required while posting the during posting the GL accounts. Which fields are required, optional, surplus. These, yeah, during the postings. So we are using field status variant. So document type also we are used for classify manage different kind of transactions such as GL transactions, vendor customer transactions. For every document type we will assign to one number range. That number range will be reflected in the document at the time of accounting entry postings.
Okay.
Yeah, that's from my
Okay.
end, sir.
Okay, Anusha, thank you. Okay, I'm just sharing on document. Now my screen is sharing or something. Not there?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So I just stop my screen. Sorry. Stop means okay.